Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is 26th video for gym management system in Django, and in this video we are going to create a model in which we will assign the subscriber to the trainer. Okay, so we have already created the trainer and subscriber model. Now we will assign the subscriber to the trainer. Okay, so let's create the model. Let's create the model for this. So I'll go to the gym management system main and models. Okay, and we will also add this model to the admin. Okay, so let's create this. So I'll just copy any one of the model. Okay, and here we will create, and we will add here assign subscriber to trainer. Okay, and here we will add assign subscriber. Okay, just for the short name we are adding this. Okay, so here the first thing will be subscriber, and this will be foreign key. I will add this here. Okay, and the second one will be trainer. Okay, so this will be our let's say this is a trainer, and we have already added this trainer model, and I will remove this blank true, and here we will also remove this blank true, and I will also remove this null true. Okay, and let's remove this. Okay, and in this we need a subscriber model, so I will add this subscriber, and here we have a on delete, and by default we will return the subscriber. Okay, let's say subscriber. Okay, now let's open the admin.py file. Okay, and here we will add the created model in the admin. So I'll just simply assign subscriber, copy this and paste it here, and paste it here and add it here. Okay, and the first thing will be subscriber. Okay, and the second thing will be, let's say, trainer. Okay, and we will remove all the things. Okay, now let's migrate this. So what I will do, py manage.py. Okay, make migrations. Okay, so here we have py manage.py migrate. Okay, okay, so now what I will do, I will just simply run the server. Okay, in this video we will just create the assignment model, and then we will because we are creating this because we need to manage these things in the subscriber model as well as in the trainer model. Okay, so in the trainer model, the trainer can see that how many subscriber are subscribed them, and in the subscriber model he can see the trainer data. Okay, so that we are doing this. So if you want to read all of the thing for this system, then you can check the first video of this playlist of this gym management system. Then you will get a better idea that why we are doing this, why we need to do this, and you will get all the project idea. Okay, okay, so here we have, so let's refresh this admin panel, and here it is saying something. Let's, okay, so here we are assign subscribers. Okay, so when we are going to add this, so here we have subscriber Alex, trainer 1, and we will save this. Okay, so here we have subscriber and trainer 1. Okay, so we can add many subscriber to the single trainer. Okay, so now in this video just want to show you, I just want to create this model. In the next part we will manage the things for the subscriber dashboard. We will manage the thing in the subscriber dashboard, and we will do that. Okay, so uh, okay, so now in the next part we will do we will work in the user dashboard. Okay, so please yeah, I hope you are enjoying this series. Okay, so please like, share, subscribe this video, this channel, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.